Pocusneo and Neopeds Academy welcome you to the point-of-care ultrasound workshop. Built on innovation and high-fidelity simulation, don't miss the chance for an extraordinary workshop. With a curriculum carefully developed by leading North American experts in neonatal POCUS. What does the workshop and curriculum look like? Get access to self-learning online training modules. Receive individualized one-on-one hands-on training. Use the world's most advanced simulators and the world's first ultrasoundable phantom models, which includes learning lung ultrasound with simulators and phantoms, as well as heart ultrasound with Pocusneo and Sonosum simulators. Explore vascular access using real arm phantoms with blood flow Dopplers, as well as advanced phantom simulator training for PICC lines, peripheral arterial, and venous access. And finally, use the latest phantom training for pericardial drainage. Throughout this workshop, you'll get to explore a wide variety of case-based simulations and assess your knowledge. Review complex cases with individualized feedback systems. And take advantage of continuous support from faculties throughout the learning process. Don't miss your chance. Sign up now and attend the workshop to receive a Pocusneo Online CME certificate, as well as gaining eligibility post-workshop to enter the Pocusneo Diploma Training Program. For more information, visit our website. See you soon!